Hey, Emily. What are we doing?
I'm gonna go get my bike now.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you tired?
Yes.
Oh, this is fucking awkward showing my face. This is literally the first time I've done that. Fancy and shit. What are you doing back there?
Falling asleep.
It's a good thing you're not riding the bike back.
Yes.
God, this is awkward as shit for me.
Why?
Because the camera's facing at me. I'm used to it facing away from me. Oh, scooter gang. Squad. Oh, wait. Did you notice the shirt that I'm wearing?
Yes, I love it. So cute.
Betty White is my spirit animal.
Yeah, she's amazing. I hope I'm not badass when I'm old.
I know, right?
She's like 1,000 at least.
Oh, God, yes. I mean, you know, we really do need to consider, like, how we're treating Mother Earth. Because we need to leave Earth good for Betty White when we're all dead.
Yes. Oh my god.
Not sure how I feel about driving such a fancy vehicle.
It's really not. I never finished that paper for class.
Oops.
But apparently it was due in 2 weeks, so it's not due till next Friday.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice turn signal there, dickwad.
So you know that bridge right here?
Uh-huh.
We were coming down here, but we were coming from the opposite way because I was trying to show her the whatever apartments over there in Commerce where we have to go all the time.
Yeah.
And
Oh, yeah, the sketchy ones right down from my...
yeah, we have a new
Yeah.
paramedic, and I was trying to show her because I'm trying to get her a little bit familiar with the area.
Yeah.
And we came to the bridge, and I'm like, I don't think we're going to fit under this. I didn't even try. So I don't even know if the ambulance actually fits underneath that bridge.
Oh, the one back? Yeah, it does. It does.
It said like 9 feet, and I'm like, I know we're taller than that because we were in the larger unit.
Remember when they were widening up here?
Yeah.
And they had this shut down and it was like the detour there? Yeah, at like 4 o'clock in the morning we had to go to do BMX shows in Danville. And we had an open trailer with all the ramps on the back. Did not even think about it. They cleared, luckily.
Oh, wow.
But I didn't realize it until after we had gone underneath of it. I was like, oh, dick. I could have definitely fucked up the entire day by not remembering that.
Apparently I have a sunroof back here.
Oh, shit. See, like, this shit's fancy as fuck, man. I drive a fucking Fiesta.
Yeah, but I got a really good deal on this. It only had like 10,000 miles on it when I got it. So it was paid off. I'm like, fuck this.
Hell yeah.
So I went to the bank.
Look at the dogs. They're just like staring.
I'd be nervous to have my dogs that fucking close to the road.
Yeah. I don't even like to...
They've got like 20 fucking dogs. There's another one back here.
Yeah, there's like 4,000 fucking chihuahuas over there. Feels even weirder driving an automatic.
I mean, you can switch it to...
It's not the same.
Whatever.
There's no man pedal.
Like an extension of your dick.
It really is. It really is. It makes me feel more comfortable and confident about my dick.
So when I went to the bank yesterday, the girl's like, "How do you want those?" I was like, "All ones." And her eyes got real fucking big, and I was like, "I'm just kidding. I don't want $6,000 in ones." She's like, "Oh, okay."
Hey, listen. We're going to West Virginia, right?
Oh, yeah. It's for my side job. I have to get changed for this weekend.
I just want to be rich enough to where, you know, I can buy all the strippers in a strip club Heelys, so I can yell out "Auto Thoughts Roll Out."
Oh my god. Have you ever been to a strip club?
Once and only once.
Was it the one in West Virginia?
No, it was in Manhattan actually.
Oh wow.
My buddy, actually it really was. My buddy's girlfriend at the time used to bartend there, so like she knew like a lot of the girls and everything. And she was like, "This is your first time in a strip club?" I'm like, "Yeah, dude, I live in Virginia. There's no strip clubs."
I don't think we're allowed to have them here, right?
There is like Blue Moon or Paper Moon or something like that. Paper Moon, I think, in Richmond, but it's like topless only or some shit.
Oh, so that doesn't even count.
Yeah, no, it totally doesn't count. But it was fucking hilarious. She was like, Naomi was like, "You never even had a lap dance then?" I'm like, "No." She goes, "I will buy you your first lap dance."
Oh my god.
She's like, "Pick any girl you want." I was like, "Well, this is awkward now." Everybody's gonna think that I'm like some asshole. Why do you make your girl sit in the back?
You bitch.
Cause I'm a real man. This is your first time seeing your bike in person, right? Yeah. Hey. Here's your bike. Yep.
Excited?
Yes.
You're sleepy.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
You like it though?
Yes.
It's good?
Yes.
Awesome.
We're gonna have a lot of fun in that.
Yes.
For sure.
She'll do wheelies in no time.
Right.
Oh, we'll just come in and get that little 110. Let her learn wheelies on that.
There you go.
What's up? Mind you wheezing?
No, you're fine.
You're like either gonna fall over asleep or
I'm in love.
you're in love. Tippy toes.
Yep.
Oh, hey, I found a shortened kickstand for yours.
Oh.
It's like $100
I don't really need one, but
Oh, okay.
yeah, I got mine. Adam welded it, chopped it off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know if they had done that
I would
for
like
you
it to
yet.
be shorter because it's still kind of a little bit upright. I can't really turk on a slope, but
I'll send you the link.
look at your pretty new bike.
I'm gonna take a picture. I'll take a picture of you in front of it. Ed, we both do. We both been up all night.
Let me get my checklist. I got a little checklist. I want to go over everything.
Oh, wow.
I missed things.
It's got like airbrushing almost in it for the Ninja.
Wow.
You're like, wow, I just bought a motorcycle.
I did a thing.
I did a thing, and it's not an adulting thing. It kind of is, but it's also kind of not. Does it even have a mile on it here? No. It literally has no
No
miles.
shit.
0.
Nice big gear indicator. You'll be able to see what gear you're in, which is really important for a beginner. You don't want to be riding down the road and, oh gosh, am I in third or fourth? And you don't want to guess that. It's really nice to have it right there invisible for you. The range, there's this button here changes it back and forth from miles per gallon. You get a indication of how many miles per gallon you get. I ride my bike pretty hard, not really hard, but I ride it pretty hard, and I get about 60 miles a gallon. So you should be able to get that more better. Unless you let Bruce ride, then you probably get lost.
You're mean to me.
Yeah, of course I am. All right, so you can go through this, and there's miles per gallon average. If you want to do any upgrades to the bike, like you want to tweak it a little bit beyond what has already been planned, I'm sure.
It's like you know me or something.
A good thing to do is frame sliders. There's a little spot on the frame that's right here, and it sticks out. I can show it to you on my bike if you want. It's just like a little peg that sticks out, because if you do drop the bike in either direction, it protects all this plastic. Any questions? None at all? If you have any though, please get a hold of me. I'm here for you 100%. You could send me a Facebook message at like 10 o'clock at night. I'll answer for you, okay?
Okay.
I'm here for you 100%.
Thank
you very much for your business.
Thank you.
You're part of the Wayne Cycle family now, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. You guys gonna get geared up and head out? Go
Well,
get some lunch maybe?
we're gonna take this back to the house.
Okay.
I think she wants to sleep a little bit probably.
Probably a
And
feather
then
nap.
and then we'll go out maybe.
Gotcha.
Like I get to put the first mile on Emily's bike. And once we get some rest, because we've both been up for too many hours at this point with EMS calls and fire calls and everything else. Hopefully gonna take her out and get her situated on it. Oh, she is gonna love this little thing. Oh, she's just gonna have an absolute blast on this thing. Oh, we tripped the first mile. I'm just stoked. Like, this is awesome. In case you haven't figured out, like, Emily's my girlfriend, so yeah, that's also pretty dope. I have a girlfriend that rides now. And huge shout out to Wayne's on hooking her up with her first bike.